Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, traction control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power brakes, cruise control, power door locks, power steering. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.